The 5 surprising benefits of Pilates for your body. Hey, everyone! If you're ready to transform your health and well-being, go ahead and hit that like button. Today, we're diving into some amazing tips that will elevate your quality of life to a whole new level. Don't forget to stick around until the end because there's a ton of valuable info coming your way. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now's the time to do it. Only together can we create a healthy and informed community. In a nutshell, Pilates is a practice that seeks to integrate body and mind, offering a ton of health benefits. Among the key results are improved motor coordination, greater balance, increased flexibility, enhanced mobility, and better posture. Moreover, it's a method of exercise that emphasizes the connection between body and mind, leading to a whole range of advantages for your body. Body transformations through Pilates. Joseph Pilates, the creator of this practice, made body awareness central to our movements. Just think about the various benefits this activity can offer. Next up, we'll highlight 5 standout aspects of practicing Pilates. 5 key body transformations with Pilates. 1. Increased muscle strength. Pilates focuses on strengthening your internal muscles, particularly the core, which includes the abs, lower back, glutes, and other essential muscles. The result? A more harmonious and resilient body. 2. Enhanced flexibility. The exercises are designed to boost not just elasticity but also the range of motion in your joints. This practice helps reduce stiffness in both muscles and joints, improving posture and decreasing the risk of injuries. The gentle movements work to stretch and strengthen simultaneously, enhancing flexibility and making everyday activities and sports easier. 3. Development of body awareness. This activity is key to correcting muscular and postural imbalances, leading to better alignment. By strengthening the muscles that support your spine, Pilates results in a proper weight distribution and healthier posture, which eases muscular tension. 4. Improvement in balance and coordination. Many exercises require controlled and precise movements that challenge both balance and coordination. This practice sharpens your stability and body control, strengthening the stabilizing muscles. Developing these skills is crucial, not only during workouts but also for preventing falls and injuries in everyday life. 5. Stress reduction and increased well-being. Pilates encourages focus and mindful breathing, creating a space for relaxation that significantly contributes to lower stress levels and an overall sense of well-being. Regular practice not only alleviates anxiety and enhances sleep but also promotes a better quality of life by easing pain and realigning posture. Words from Joseph Pilates. The results of Pilates are directly proportional to the technique employed in the exercises. Your body is a treasure that reflects your essence. Take care of it as you would a precious jewel. Being in shape is essential for true happiness. And remember, when life gets hectic, turn to Pilates. Pilates sharpens the mind, corrects posture, and soothes the heart. Every day is a great opportunity to practice Pilates. In 10 sessions, you'll notice a transformation. After 20 sessions, others will notice, and in 30, you'll have a completely new body. Practicing Pilates is an invitation to happiness. So, what do you think about today's content? If you haven't liked this video or subscribed to our channel yet, what are you waiting for? Now is the perfect moment to do it. Your support is crucial for us to continue bringing you hot tips and updated information on health and well-being for you and everyone seeking a fulfilling life. Don't forget to check out our other videos, there's a lot of great stuff waiting for you. Catch you next time. And remember, taking care of your health is the greatest gift you can give yourself.